Alright, what's up guys? I wanted to show you my Losi Mini B I turned into the VW Bug. That's the Buki body. You can get it on eBay. The wheels and tires I used off the Losi Mini Drag. I just had to make some spacers because the spindle axles are a little bit too long. So I made some spacers and then put the screw on over them. That's the carbon fiber wing for the Mini B. I think it turned out cool. For body mounts, I just use Velcro pieces. You can see the Velcro here. Same thing on the back end. I just put a piece of Velcro on the wing, then a piece of Velcro on the body. And as you can see, it holds good. Car's so lightweight, you really didn't need the body post, and I didn't want the body post with the clips and all that showing. I did upgrade the shock tower mounts to carbon fiber. And there's the name of the body, the Buki or Boki. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty sick. I'm gonna show you what comes off here. I did install the lights on the front end. They're off of my Hypergo. They actually went right there. But I decided to put them on the buggy. I guess I could turn them on for you. Too cool. Yeah, I think it turned out too cool, man. Definitely like it better than that little Mini B body. Alright, I'll get you guys another video up running later.